Hello, my name is Peter Bruno and I own Dent Express, a local paintless dent repair company here in Phoenix. I repair door dings, dents, and hail damage without paints or fillers. Due to over 20 years experience, I am able to fix larger dents than my competitors. Because of this, I can save you and your clients thousands every week over conventional repairs. All of my work is 100% satisfaction guaranteed. My goal is to help you see and understand what I can do for you. Thank you and enjoy.
Just be